Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Pastillas para Bajar el Acido Urico is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for those struggling with the discomfort of high uric acid. This video dives deep into the world of these supplements, exploring how they work to help manage uric acid levels and improve overall well-being. We'll break down the science, the ingredients, and what you should consider before making a choice. Number 5. Nature's Craft Uric Acid Cleanse and Detox Capsules. This supplement helps support your joints and maintain healthy uric acid levels. It also helps metabolize excess uric acid in the body. This product is designed to help you feel your best. This daily supplement includes chanca piedra, which is known to boost kidney health. It works by helping to balance your uric acid levels. Take this to support your kidney function. The supplement contains essential ingredients like vitamin B6 and citric acid. It also includes balancing ingredients like celery seed extract. This combination is designed to provide comprehensive support. Experience the power of a more potent daily supplement. It features a plant-based antioxidant that brings many benefits. It can help provide joint support for tired joints and muscles. Nature's Craft supplements are third-party tested for potency. They are formulated in the United States by GMPC laboratories. You can trust the quality of this product. What we like. This product focuses on joint support and kidney health, thanks to its powerful formula. It also includes ingredients like vitamin B6 and citric acid. If you're looking for a supplement that supports both joint comfort and kidney function, you should consider this one. What people say. Best product that I've found to control my gout. I took 2 capsules, and together with ibuprofen and foods I have grown more confident of than others, my pain substantially decreased and my resultant mobility greatly improved, within about 24 to 30 hours. Give your kidneys the cleanse they deserve with this vegan uric acid cleanse and detox. This powerful blend of natural ingredients is carefully crafted to help eliminate toxins and reduce uric acid buildup in the body. Number 4. Purge. Uric acid flush, joint support. Uric acid buildup can really impact your flexibility. This product contains a powerful blend of ingredients to help promote healthy uric acid levels and support your joints. Packed with celery seed, tart cherry extract and chanca piedra, this supplement provides the support you can trust. It's made with clinically studied ingredients. This powerful formula helps flush and detoxify uric acid from your body. It also helps fight oxidative stress in your joints. This natural, vegetarian supplement is free of fillers and artificial ingredients. You only need to take 2 soft capsules once daily with water. Try this product without worry, we're confident you'll see results. Plus, your purchase helps provide vitamins to those in need through our partnership. What we like. This product offers a 3-in-1 daily uric acid cleanse with natural ingredients. It is designed to promote healthy uric acid levels and support joint comfort. If you are looking for a natural and effective way to support your joints and overall well-being, you should consider it. What people say. Work great to help keep gout from flaring up. I have been using this for 2 weeks now and my feet never felt better. I was getting gout back to back and it was hard for me to do any physical activity. Now I am back to running and the gym without limping all the time. I take this 2 times a day. Product saved my leg, had gout for 4 months, took the pills not yet finished and now I can walk. Purge saved me, don't feel pain anymore. I happy and glad I can walk without pain. Number 3. Zazzee Tart Cherry Extract 3000 mg, 200 capsules. Looking for a great deal? This extract offers incredible value with 3000 mg strength per capsule and 200 capsules in each bottle. That's over a 6-month supply. You won't find a better bargain. This tart cherry extract provides the strongest dosage available. Each capsule delivers a potent 3000 mg of extract, made from a powerful 10:1 concentrate. Experience the power of a 10:1 extract. This means it's 10 times stronger than regular tart cherry powder. The high concentration ensures you get the most benefits. It's made with all natural, vegan, kosher, and non-GMO ingredients. The capsules are also 100% vegan. You can enjoy the benefits without any hidden additives. Your health is our top priority. This product is manufactured in the USA in a fully compliant facility. You can trust that you're getting the best quality and value. What we like. This product boasts a high-strength, concentrated tart cherry extract. It's also vegan, kosher, and non-GMO. If you like a potent, natural supplement with a long-lasting supply, you should consider this one. What people say. The capsules are easy to take, and I haven't had any side effects. I started taking this tart cherry extract to help manage my uric acid levels. Helps with any type of inflammation within your body. Number 2. Lifetones Uric Acid Support, Joint Health. Are you looking for joint health support? This liquid formula helps metabolize uric acid levels. It promotes healthy joints and helps relieve muscle stiffness. This product helps remove the uric acid that settles in your joints. It is designed to help you sleep better and wake up feeling refreshed. Naturally reduce uric acid buildup. You can wake up feeling restored and with more energy to start your day. It supports a healthy lifestyle. This supplement is non-GMO and vegetarian friendly. It's completely free of artificial ingredients, gluten, soy, sugar, wheat, or dairy. Love it or get a full refund. You can try it with total confidence. If it doesn't help, keep it and get a full refund. Transform your life with this product. Click the Add to Cart button to get started today. What we like. This product comes in a liquid formula for easy absorption and is all natural. It also claims to improve sleep and restore energy. If you are looking for a supplement that can help you sleep better and wake up feeling refreshed, you should consider it. What people say. Works great. Feel better. Labs are good. It definitely has taken the edge off the pain to some definite noticeable degree, and I'm only on my first bottle. This product really works. I have a couple of autoimmune disease, in pain 24/7, have tried everything under the sun. I'm also doing infusions for pain and seizures. So you see, I am always looking for that better solution. This really works. For the first time in a very long time I was pain-free. But short-lived, not because there is something wrong with the product. I have multiple allergies. I read the label, there was nothing written that could raise a red flag, however I did break out into a really bad one. To my disappointment I had to stop taking it and take lots of Benadryl. I'm going to try again. The flavor is awful, don't let that discourage you, this really works. I'm disabled with restrictions in walking and driving. This works. And no, I'm not being paid, say this. Number 1. Go Out Daily Maintenance, Natural Uric Acid Support. This dietary supplement helps maintain healthy uric acid levels. It's formulated with natural ingredients to support your body's functions. The formula includes tart cherry extract and celery seed. These ingredients are traditionally used to support joint comfort. It's a supplement that aligns with your values. This product is vegan, non-GMO, and gluten-free, making it a choice you can feel good about. Proudly made in the USA, it meets strict quality standards. You can trust its purity and safety. You can use it alone or pair it with Go Out Extra Strength. It offers flexibility in managing your uric acid levels and joint comfort. With natural ingredients and strict quality control, it's a reliable choice. It's designed to be a part of a healthy lifestyle. What we like. This product uses natural ingredients to support joint comfort and is made in the USA. It is also gluten-free, non-GMO, and not tested on animals. If you value natural, cruelty-free products and are conscious about your dietary intake, you should consider this one. What people say. This product really works. And this product does seem to do that. Less than 24 hours later he was healed. And with no side effects like his usual medication would give. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.